Did you know that virtual assistant jobs are among the fastest growing remote opportunities in 2025? With more businesses turning to remote support, this career path is booming, and it's never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to ditch the 9 to 5, build a side hustle, or take control of your work-life balance, becoming a virtual assistant might just be your golden ticket. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about virtual assistant jobs for beginners, from what the role entails to how you can land your very first gig. Let's get started. What is a virtual assistant? Think of a virtual assistant, often called a VA, as a remote helper. These are professionals who work online, offering support services to businesses and entrepreneurs. That support might be administrative, technical, or even creative. Most of the work is done using tools like Zoom, Trello, Gmail, or Slack. And here's the cool part. You can do all this from your home, a cafe, or even while traveling. Common tasks for VAS include email management, appointment scheduling, data entry, and customer service. But depending on your skills, you might dive into social media, content writing, or e-commerce. What's in it for you? Flexibility, tons of niche options, and the potential to scale your workload and income as you grow. Top 10 virtual assistant jobs for beginners. You don't need a fancy degree to get started. Here are 10 beginner-friendly roles you can explore. Data entry clerk, perfect if you're detail-oriented and love spreadsheets. Social media assistant. If you're always on Instagram or TikTok, this could be your thing. Customer service rep. Answer questions and help customers via chat or email. Personal assistant. Manage schedules and book appointments. Transcriptionist. Listen to recordings and type them out. Content writer. Great for those who love writing blogs or social posts. E-commerce assistant. Help manage online stores like Shopify or Amazon. Research assistant. Gather data and organize info for businesses. Email marketing assistant. Send newsletters and track results. Calendar scheduler. Keep clients organized with meetings and reminders. Each of these roles lets you build experience while earning, and many of them can lead to long-term contracts or freelance gigs. Essential skills for virtual assistants. To succeed, you'll need a few core skills. Communication and time management are everything. Know the basics of tools like Google Workspace, Trello, and Zoom. Be organized. Seriously. Clients love VAS who can stay on top of things. And if you're eyeing social media jobs, get comfy with platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. These aren't hard to learn. There are tons of free courses online. That brings us to training and certifications. Start with free courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. Want to level up? Look into certifications in project management, customer service, or social media marketing from places like Google or HubSpot. Always be learning. New tools pop up all the time. The more you know, the more you can charge. Where to find VA jobs? Here's where the magic happens. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you apply to jobs and build your representative. Job boards like Indeed and HireBasis are goldmines for remote work, especially for beginners. Networking is huge. Use LinkedIn and join Facebook groups for VAS. And don't forget VA agencies like 24/7 VA or C-Suite Assistants. They match you with clients directly. How much can you earn? Beginner rates usually range from $20 to $35 per hour, but you can earn more with experience. You can charge hourly or create service packages, like 10 hours a month for $300. Just be transparent with clients and update your rates as you grow. Pro tip. Don't undervalue yourself. Your time and skills matter. Tips for landing your first job. Build a simple portfolio with sample tasks, even if they're mock projects. Craft custom proposals for every job application. Skip the templates. Offer trial periods or discounts in exchange for testimonials. And when you get that first glowing review, use it everywhere. That social proof is gold. Final thoughts. Your career starts now. Being a virtual assistant gives you freedom to choose your clients, your hours, and your income. It's one of the most beginner-friendly remote careers out there. And if you're wondering where to start, look no further than www.hirebasis.com. Their platform is designed for aspiring VAS like you, offering hundreds of remote roles and career support to help you succeed. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more remote job guides. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for further reading and free VA resources. Start your journey today with HireBasis.